Have you recently started the probate process and wondered how long is this actually going to take? Are you frustrated because nobody seems to give you a clear timeline for settling an estate in the state of Florida? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the common probate timelines and key milestones so you can better understand what to expect during the probate process. One of the first things that families should understand is that every probate case is different. Some estates are very simple and very organized, while others involve multiple properties, creditor issues, missing documents, or family disagreements. All of these factors can impact how quickly or how slowly the probate process moves forward. In Florida, many formal probate cases typically take anywhere from 6 months to a year to complete. Simpler estates can move faster, while more complicated estates can sometimes take a little bit longer. One of the biggest mistakes that families make is assuming the probate will be resolved in just a few weeks. The first major milestone in probate is opening the estate with the court. This usually involves filing the probate petition and having the court appointed a personal representative, sometimes called the executor. Once the court officially appoints the personal representative, they are given legal authority to begin acting on their behalf of the estate. Another important milestone is identifying and gathering the estate assets. This may include bank accounts, investment accounts, real estate, vehicles, personal property, and other assets owned by the deceased person. In some cases, the process can happen quicker, but in other situations, it may take a few months to fully identify the value of the property. One of the biggest timeline factors involving Florida probate involves creditor claims. Florida law provides a very specific creditor period that allows creditors time to come forward and file claims against the estate. This creditor period alone can add several months to the probate timeline before final distributions can actually occur. If the estate includes real estate that needs to be sold, this also can impact the timeline significantly. Selling a home during probate may require court approvals, coordination with heirs, title work, and normal real estate transaction process. Delays preparing or selling the property can extend the overall probate process. Family disputes or missing estate planning documents can also create delays. Unfortunately, disagreements between heirs or challenges involving these things can dramatically increase the timelines and complexity of the probate case. This is one reason why communication and proper guidance during the probate process can be extremely important. One important thing to remember is that probate is a process with several required legal steps and waiting periods. Even when everyone is cooperating, there are still procedures that must be completed before the estate can officially close and distributions can actually be made to the heirs or the beneficiaries. If you currently have questions about the probate timelines, probate milestones, or want to know what to expect when settling an estate in Florida, feel free to reach out. We've helped many families gain clarity and confidence while navigating the probate process. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.